Hey guys, my name is Ken. In this video, let's talk about trading app for stocks, ETFs, options, crypto, etc. and how you as a non-US citizen can trade US listed stocks. We'll discuss as well what to look for and what to avoid while getting into trading apps. Trade the like button and invest in subscription to the channel, and let's go. You're also welcome to support the channel, all the links are down in the description. Let's first point out what to consider when choosing a stock trading app. There are hundreds of trading apps available on the Android and Apple stores, and they all have different features. Some of the apps are extensions of banks and brokers, while others are from independent developers. When deciding on which app is best for you, I would recommend to consider the following. First, in my opinion, you have to find out more about company whose trading app you want to use and entrust your hard-earned money. Specifically, what is the jurisdiction, how is the company regulated, and if your account insured somehow. As for non-US citizens, there are lots of apps which are Cyprus regulated. Some of them are under UK regulation and few are US regulated. If you are interested on this topic, let me know in the comments. Maybe we should deep dive into this in another video. Once you choose companies you like in terms of regulation, next thing to consider is knowledge level. Because some stock trading apps are designed with advanced traders as their target market. These apps come with more analytical features and fewer educational resources. Until you are comfortable with how the advanced features work, I would use an app with more guidance. Another thing is customer service. The customer service functions vary between the apps. Some offer email support only, others have highly intuitive AI bots that can also execute commands. If you are not great with technology, that is something you should consider. Another important thing is your time. Again, consider the support provided by the app. Do you have the time and knowledge to trade alone, or would you benefit from having a bot open and close orders for you? Some apps also have fees for inactive users, so you have to be sure of the time you can commit. Next thing about financial goals. Are you looking for investments for retirement to help you reach your long-term goals, or do you want to focus on short-term successes? Some apps are designed to help you achieve your long-term goals. Others are based around short-term trading. Another question is how much money you have to invest. Not only do you need to know how much money you want to invest, but you also need to consider the extra costs. Many of the apps offer commission-free trading. Some require a minimum fee for opening an account. Several apps have subscription fees. There are also fees attached to every transaction you make. So make sure to check all the conditions about commissions and fees. The type of trading you want to focus on is another thing to consider. Do you want to have access to all trading, or do you want to focus on just one type, for example stocks? Do you want to trade in different markets or just the US? This is also very important. Another thing about features, some stock trading apps come with the option to pay bills, others have economic calendars and news alerts, and a small number have open forums for you to discuss your trading. So make sure the app has all the features you need. Now let's take a look at some of the trading apps so you have a clue what to choose from. They are placed just randomly in no particular order, so you gotta choose not by position but by features and all the conditions they provide. First one to review is Etoro. Etoro is best for learning from others. Etoro is one of the most popular online stockbrokers. Over the past 15 years, it has developed a strong reputation for beginners and experienced investors alike. The Etoro app aims to be accessible to all with its easy-to-navigate interface. It is available on Google Play and the App Store and allows you to move seamlessly between devices. Its features include virtual portfolio. You'll receive a $100,000 demo account to begin with to help you practice and get used to the system. It also has research and analytics feature including pro charts, pre-programmed one-click trading, and copy trader. You can copy the trades of others in real time. Etoro has its own social networking platform where you can discuss the trades as well as pre-provided investment strategies which they call copy portfolios. The app boasts the ability to allow you to place online trades even if the trading platform is down, because it is sometimes down. Etoro is regulated dependent on where you are opening an account from. It might be Cyprus, UK, Australia, so check that out how it works for you. Next one is Trading 212. Trading 212's mobile trading platform is user-friendly and well-designed with great search, alert, and order functions. The app provides two-step authentication beside a one-step login, but to activate this you have to use a third-party authentication app, which is a bit inconvenient. The search functions are great. You can search by typing the name of the assets, but you can also find the assets in categories. The company was founded in 2004 and is now headquartered in London. Trading 212 is regulated by the UK Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) and the Bulgarian Financial Supervision Commission. This trading app is considered relatively safe as it is regulated by the top-tier FCA. Another app is IG. IG was established in the UK in 1974 and is one of the biggest CFD brokers in the world. It is regulated by the several bodies globally, including top-tier regulators like the UK's Financial Conduct Authority (FCA) and Germany's Federal Financial Supervisory Authority. IG Group is listed on the London Stock Exchange and considered safe because it is listed on a stock exchange, discloses its financials, and is overseen by top-tier regulators. What are the pros and cons of IG? IG's web trading platform is well-designed, user-friendly, and easy to customize. You'll also find many useful educational tools for learning. Funding and withdrawing money is easy and there are multiple options actually. On the other hand, IG's trading fees are high for Forex and stock CFDs. The product portfolio is limited, as in most countries, IG offered only CFD and options trading. Customer support could also be better. IG has low non-trading fees, there is no fee for withdrawals, and an inactivity fee is charged only after 2 years. On the negative side also, the Forex and stock CFD fees are pretty high. Next one to review is TD Ameritrade. There are two TD Ameritrade apps, Mobile and Mobile Trader. Mobile is for everyday traders and users, while Mobile Trader is for more advanced and active users. Features include real-time dashboards, news and updates, educational content, customer support, functions to control finances, well-designed dashboard, different apps and features for different trading styles. Though the apps are free to use, broker-assisted trades can be a little pricey for some of you, so make sure to check out all the conditions. The app is considered safe and reliable, regulated by the US authorities, SEC, FINRA, and etc. Next one is Interactive Brokers. This is best for professionals. Provided by one of the largest stockbrokers, the Interactive Brokers app is designed for active and advanced traders and boasts many global stocks. Strictly speaking, there are no commission fees. However, to keep all users active, there are high charges for inactive accounts. The interface is not so easy to use, but it is supported across all iOS and Android devices and comes with a chat tool, iBot. Interactive Brokers was founded in 1978 and is one of the biggest US-based discount brokers. The broker is regulated by several financial authorities globally, including top-tier ones like the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the US Securities and Exchange Commission's SEC. To be honest, no app is created equal. Depending on the developer and the largest market, features will differ between stock trading apps. Before deciding on the right one for you, take some time to explore them. Almost all of them have no download or registration fees. Take advantage of that and have a play with them to see how you feel about the usability. No rule says you have to have only one app. Work with a few and see which one delivers better results. What should sway your decision is where you fall regarding experience. If you are brand new to trading, then look for one with lots of educational resources and that is user-friendly. If you consider yourself an advanced and active trader, you probably wouldn't be watching this video, but choose an app with analytical tools to match, such as Interactive Brokers. Don't choose an app just because others use it or because someone who has been trading for 10 years using it. Choose one that suits you and your current needs. Down in the description there are links to some of the platforms you might want to check out. I really hope I was useful for you with the trading apps. Let me know in the comments which one did you like the best. Hear more other videos about personal finance and investments. Make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.